Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shreya. I hope you all are doing well and I am in a really good mood today. I'm just out of the shower as you can see and I was deciding the scent combo for today, so I thought let me ask it from you guys, what should I wear, and let me suggest you a few of this amazing scent combinations that I've tried. Let me know which one should I go in for today. So let's get into the video real quickly. The first combination is this pair. This is such an amazing scent combination, guys. I can't rave about it enough. This one is from Plum. This is called Plum's Body Leave-In Vanilla Caramello Body Lotion with Cocoa Butter. Pro Vitamin B5, and this is 100% vegan. This is 400 ml of bottle and I have repurchased it already. This one is so caramelly, so nutty, so vanillic. It smells like an edible cupcake. It literally smells like a cupcakey feel, like you will feel like eating something out, something delicious, and you're gonna smell delicious once you use it. And then on top of that, you're gonna use this one. They both belong to the same fragrance family, by the way. This one is from Sol de Janeiro. It's called Brazilian Crush Cheriosa 62. This one has pistachios and salted caramel. Yeah, coconut and vanilla. I smell a lot of salted caramel along with vanilla, and it has that nutty feel to it. This scent combination is amazing. You're gonna smell like a dessert in a bottle, and when you layer this together, the whole scent is gonna be there on you for at least, I would say, 7 to 8 hours. Like, it's gonna last you all day, and then you can layer this up with this one. So this is the first option that I'm thinking about for today. Let me show you the next option. Now I have this pair. Okay, this one is called Nivea's Nourishing Lotion Body Milk, which has 48-hour intense moisture. This is 5 in 1 complete care with deep moisture serum, almond oil, and vitamin E. This one is for dry to very dry skin. But winters may, I think that any skin type person can use it if you feel the need of applying a body lotion. Now, this one smells very I mean, this one smells very much like a floral scented body lotion. Those flower notes might not last for a really long time. So it's almost like this one smells like shea butter and some floral notes to it, but it's just okay. Like, the scent is not overpowering, and it can form a really great base option to layer it up with any perfume. Okay, so this one is really thick and nourishing. Scent is really nice for base layering. Then goes in with this one from another Plum's favorite. This one is called Plum Body Lovin' वनीला वाइब्स मिस्ट. ओके, प्लम का ना इसमें बॉडी लोशन नहीं आता है. दे हैव रिलीज दैट वनीला कैरामेलो ओनली. उसके अलावा दे हैव रिलीज दिस वन. इसमें कोई पता नहीं बॉडी लोशन उन्हें बनाया नहीं आज तक. आई हैव नो आइडिया वाई. बट if you want to pair it with this one, you are again gonna smell like, I will not say cupcake, but you're gonna smell like the most delicious vanilla ice cream which has loads and loads of cream in it apart from vanilla. That is what it smells to me, and I absolutely love this scent combination. This is so creamy. This one is very creamy, and mine is macerated. Okay, so mine, it has become very sweet. It's not screechy at all. It has become very sweet, very decadent. You're gonna drool once you smell it. So I think this combination is the second option, and it's amazing at the same time. Now I'll show you the third one that I have. And guys, I have the same body lotion but with a different fragrance mist. Now this one is from Bath and Body Works. This one is called Gingham. Now this is a very fresh fragrance. As I said that इसमें कोई इसकी खुद की खुशबू बहुत ज़्यादा है नहीं, बहुत ओवरपावरिंग नहीं है, फ्लोरल है एंड बहुत ईजी है. इसके ऊपर कोई और फ्रेग्रेंस मिस्ट अप्लाई करने के बाद इसकी खुद की स्मेल नहीं आती है, बट इसमें इतना ज़्यादा मॉइस्चर है कि वो उस सेंट को बहुत अच्छे से लॉक करता है, राइट, स्किन में. दैट इज़ वाई आई दिस वन इज़ वर्सटाइल विथ एनी ऑफ द फ्रेग्रेंस दैट यू वांट टू ट्राई. एंड उसके साथ आई हैव दिस वन. इट इज़ कॉल्ड गिंघम. नाउ गिंघम जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा, इट स्मेल्स लाइक फ्रेश लॉन्ड्री टू मी, राइट? एकदम फ्रेश वाइट क्रिस्प शर्ट आपकी धुल के आई हो, एंड है ना, एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट it smells like. This one also has floral notes, by the way. So it goes really really well with this fragrance. काफ़ी fresh है, काफ़ी floral है, fruity भी है थोड़ी थोड़ी सी. I can smell some oranges and some kind of plum, some kind of pear in it. It is very fresh, very nice, perfect for summers. But as I said, I like to wear this combination during winters also. There are days when I feel like, smelling fresh and not always vanilla and not always edible kind of thing. So I was just thinking which one to pick. These three are the scent combinations that I have. Please, please, please help me in the comment section and let me know what should be the scent of the day. And that's all. I'll come up with more such videos where I'm gonna tell you about amazing scent layering combos. So stay tuned and hope you like this video. And if you haven't tried these combinations yet, then please do give these once a try. You will not regret it, and I'm 100% sure that you're gonna get compliments from everyone around you. So yeah, do let me know if you have tried them, then what was the response of other people. And till then, take care. Bye. Have a good day. And also, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Take care, guys. Bye.